Hey guys, it's Aussie Steve here from Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a house we have under contract in New Orleans, in the Uptown area. You can probably already see behind me, there's a lot of mold. Yeah, this was damaged unfortunately in Hurricane Ida. This has a flat roof which had come off and had a significant water damage. So, you know, the owner doesn't want to redo it. They, got their insurance claim in, and they will get a check from insurance for the damage, but they're preferring just to sell it in as is condition and leave the rehab for someone like us. You can see this. Yeah, this really did get some damage. I haven't got my mask. I don't really want to stay in here too long because of all the mold you see up on the roof. You're lucky you can't smell it. You'll notice there's water in the light, so definitely was water coming through the roof. You can see this has fallen down. So yeah, water's very damaging. You can see everything. The doors have got mold and they're wet. They've expanded, so they won't close. The floors all tore up. This is going to be a complete gut job. Yeah, look, water's super damaging. So, the good thing is the owner was insured, so they will get an insurance payment, and obviously, they can use that money and redo the property, but they also can take that money and sell it in as is condition. So, look, if you have a property that's been damaged by the hurricane, if you don't want to fix it up, by all means, take the insurance check, sell the property in as is condition, and use that money to buy somewhere that's already done, and you have to mess around with it. And you can leave the repair for someone like us who doesn't mind coming in and gutting the property and fixing it up. So, look, guys, if you're interested in talking about your home, give us a call. Visit our website, homebuyerlouisiana.com. We have a lot of information there about selling your home in as is condition, etc. So check it out, guys. Thanks so much.